ग्लोबल साउथ सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस के मुख्य समन्वयक प्रोफेसर गुलशन सचदेवा ने कवाड़ विदेश मंत्रियों की बैठक पर कहा, मुझे लगता है कि सकारात्मक बदलाव होंगे। पिछली बार जब डोनाल्ड ट्रंप वहां थे, उन्होंने कवाड़ में नई गति बनाई थी और चीन पर सख्त थे, जो हमारे हितों के साथ मेल खाते हैं। हालांकि भारत के लिए इंडो पैसिफिक में कुछ दबाव हो सकता है। भारत इंडो पैसिफिक आर्थिक ढांचे का हिस्सा है, लेकिन व्यापार स्तंभ का हिस्सा नहीं है, तो इस पर दबाव बन सकता है, लेकिन हम इसके लिए लंबी तैयारी कर रहे हैं।
Well, this is one area I think there are definitely positive things are going to happen, because last time when he was there, he actually, created new momentum within Quads, and he was also very tough on China. And I think this is one area where our interests have really converged. But there could also be some pressure within the Indo-Pacific for India to joining Indo-Pacific. India is part of the Indo-Pacific economic framework, but we are not part of the trade pillar. So there could be some pressure that maybe India should be part of that. But so we are preparing for this. But overall, I would say within the Indo-Pacific and within Quads, I think there are many positives are going to happen. And India is going to have the meeting here in India itself by the end of this year. So I think this is one area where we'll work very closely with them.